Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the fixing of the roads in Jamaica. Now, the Prime Minister has committed to fixing the road infrastructure in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what they plan to do. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has committed to addressing Jamaica's ongoing road infrastructure crisis through a comprehensive multi-level strategy. Acknowledging widespread frustration with deteriorating road conditions, especially following recent adverse weather, Holness announced that the government would implement both immediate and long-term solutions. The strategy includes a temporary patching approach to provide short-term relief, but more importantly aims to institutionalize a sustainable system that will address road infrastructure issues in the short, medium, and long term. This plan is part of the Shared Prosperity Through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network SPARK program, a significant government initiative with a $45 billion budget allocation. The Prime Minister attributed this large financial commitment to the current administration's sound economic management, which has also allowed the creation of a $5 billion contingency fund for climate-related events that frequently damage infrastructure. Holness emphasized that past administrations were limited by tighter fiscal constraints, but his government has built the economic capacity to tackle these long-standing infrastructure challenges without relying on external loans. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. I can say the roads are terrible and they're getting worse. I don't understand what's taking so long for the Spark program to start. They haven't even announced the list of roads to be fixed yet. They haven't even announced the contractor for the program yet. But I can say Spark program should make a difference, but it's taking too long to start. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.